Ekenekwa gị Igbo ndị ọma na-ege m ntị biko na amara m onye this young man na-afọ video n'akụkụ ebe anụnwa bụ amara m onye ọ, but I like ka o si wee gwa this girl okwu. This girl bụ Chioma anụnwa o si I think oduka o si China natakwa Japan, amara m Asian country that girl si nata, but ọ nata anụnwa mụnwa na-think na oke na ọ nata ka nwatakịrị mara ihe asọ onye jegoje dị expose. Indeed, that is why Dr. Paul Eneche is always emphasizing of abroad is not above. Indeed, abroad is never above, no matter ihe ọbụla ịchọkwa ka ime. Abroad abụrụ above. Ọbụrụ sọsịa jewel abroad, ọbụrụ sọsịa tolo na abroad. There are a lot of wealthy young ladies that are doing well for themselves, that are standing in society in this our Nigeria no market today, that are doing well for the society. Man, in that as if you use your fame, your cheap publicity, your cheap publicity. I said cheap publicity because now we are expecting more from you. Maybe join one day Omenana. I'm not against you joining Omenana, but whereby now you are busy fighting Jesus Christ. Ibe me and Zuzu, when I get no one, I won't apotagi ife. You won't name apotagi ife. Onye believe, you people are making this thing called Isaac or Gonamba, whereby that you know there is none. But you people are busy provoking, need provoke. You say you are fighting for Jesus Christ. You are fighting awesome. No, that I should hold my peace, that he will fight our battle. God is our strength too. God is our strength. Man, in as much as this earth remaineth, there will always be a planting season and a harvesting season. Go and do your thing the way you want. Because not by haligum, abagum straight, haligum, so don't make content. Bayalia. Afugum ka man and mafukene this lady can fukeni ebo okay on ebo no you got to go that kind of thing. Now people we are hailing, now people we are that no really hope but nothing, because again you have devoted yourself to a downfall that you think you are getting fame. Highest the only person you post about Matthias. Why can't these girls focus on what they are supposed to be doing? Obolibia more Christ you hear no one begin to make content. Ne Amarachi appear go na musical video twice. Amarachi many things on her own. Many you will never see her dragging religion, Christianity, nka. Despite her belief, you obu no kwete na nya kwete. Banankegi bidig. I was waiting no na kata Tunde did not a post to Amarachi. Tunde did not, at least only see bata na asu language in the China that you supposed to be creative. Mali hine or believe that shit put attention again. Oka. Give your life to Christ. Man, I may give your life to Ikenga, which you don't even know. You mean. This young man, I don't know this guy. Man, this guy said a lot of things in this video towards these people that are fighting Christianity. And this young girl, only Hogwalian like it. Because the only thing I made the Christ, but we are not fighting for Christ. We are fighting for the future of the people that that are beneficial of what Christ can do. We are fighting for it. Only believe. If you people are tackling Christ, why can't you go and tackle Islam like that? That the same energy who Christ is not foreign God, who Bible. Go and tackle Quran like that. Untackle Quran, untackle Bible, untackle Jesus Christ, untackle Imam, or untackle Prophet Muhammad. You can't do it. Put the same energy. It shows that you people na law man can wear you just one cause gonna destroy your Christianity. That is what you people are after. Man, it will never work. Also, on this rock I will build my church, and the gate of hell shall not prevail. So, in our fight about to thinking you are winning, just like people that are building the tower just to get to the heaven, when they think they have gotten there, something happened. How about that? Be careful and be wise. Gordon.
So I was scrolling through my FYP this morning, and I came across this video. of our sister Chioma Adugo. Ebe ọ na-agba egwu Igbo, a very beautiful girl, and I loved the video. I loved the video. The video was very beautiful. But something took my mind na the video. Only if they capture my mind na the video. You know the video, I'll be there. Them, give your life to Christ. Me, give your life to Ikenga. And I was like, what? Them, give your life to Christ. Me, give your life to Ikenga. Well, the young girl is trying to do two things. Number one, she is trying to body shame Christ, Jesus Christ. And number two, the meaning of Ikenga. Where could give your life to Ikenga? Okay? So, Chichi, I'm here now. If I can boss, even go full advice or something explanation. Ikenga, I repeat, Gemonte, Ikenga is not a deity. Either is Ikenga a god. Gemonte na, Abian Igbo culture or Igbo tradition, Ikenga is a symbol. I repeat, Ikenga is a symbol of authority, strength, and power. Obulo a deity. Because Genti you people are now Jesus Christ. No melanka, no melonka. You don't know the forces in our fight. Because he believe must you mention Jesus in your video to go viral? Must you people insult Jesus in your videos so to go viral? Chioma, there are somebody now so many languages like Chinese, in also Chinese, and when you go to Chinese culture, many gods in China. The Chinese people worship many gods, more than 200 gods. Man, you will never see a Chinese man put on the gods of another gods of his brother. Come back to the eastern part, this part of Nigeria. Come back this to Nigeria. And many gods in Nigeria. Christians serve Jesus Christ. Muslims serve Allah, then others. Them give your life to Allah. Me give my life to you. Must it be Jesus Christ? Must all of you insult Jesus Christ to go viral? Or something. Sometimes before we may think because most of you doesn't believe in Jesus Christ. No problem. It is not a big deal. I'm right to do all these things. You don't want to serve Christ. Even the very possible right to stay your own. You must not mention Jesus Christ to go viral. You must not mention Jesus. A man called Jesus can go viral because if you take your that Jesus did exist. What are you going to tell? One thing I will never insult any of your gods. I will never insult any God because I won't have the priority or the capability of that God. But one thing I will never take from you is you trying to mock my God. Whereas also I should not fight his battle because he will fight for himself. But I'm just begging you with the name of anything in ourselves. Stop mocking God. You people should stop mocking God. Ikenga is a symbol of power and strength. Obulo a deity. Stop mocking God. Stop mocking Christ. He decided in nature for Christ. Stay your own. Stop mocking Christ. God is our strength. Okay, Chioma Adugo one name. I don't know me people. I from your reply. And what if you could enjoy people one no? When I got that bamba one, when I got that no. Almost something in Cholico against here. Emmanuel was saying, I want the Christians, 9 and then I baji. Our forefathers are abandoned. And as Nandan 9, you see, I don't have Hamali, Gantina. Never done ever near Baketa. Here we have a video of a Catholic priest dancing with an Igbo masquerade. Father, Catholic, Igbo masquerade in our way. I'll be very, very clear. Something nada water. You people are trying to mix tradition and religion. What are you between these things? And what between tradition and the religion? O nwere abụ m onye Enugu steeti, abụ m onye Udi Amaokwe na Enugu steeti. O nwere mmemme anyị na-emebe anyị sometimes na Christmas a na-akpọ igbu ewu ji. Mmemme a bụ na anyị sometimes anyị eweta ewu ma ọ weta efi egbuo ya tasa ọbara ya na kpọpụ ndị nna nna ya asị abịakwa na ụmụ ha abịakwa n'ọzọ. Anyị na-eme ya. Every Igbo person mechara ya bụ a traditionalist. Tradition otu ụzọ ndị si adị, omenala ndị. Serving Jesus Christ is my choice and my religion. Gee ntị, it is my religion. So ngwa kwụsịrị na ịma serve Jesus Christ, you don't need to come out openly and be mocking him. Ndị Igbo na-aga ọjị, all our tradition. Even Jesus Christ na onwe ya kwuru na I didn't come to spoil or stop tradition. I came to mend it. Mend it bụ na mgbe ndị nna nna ya echetakwara mgbe ndị nna nna ya abụ mmadụ nwa ejima tụ ya na mmiri. Ọ mend na aka a na-ekwu na. Echeta mgbe ya bụ na igwe mmụọ asịsị dị chọọchị Virgin anyị eji wee nye ya. Ihe a bụ ihe niile ndị nna nna anyị mechara. Mana ya sịrị na ha bụ ajọ ife. Even Catholic na Catholic priest o nwere mgbasị ya ba na-ekpe anyị sị Chukwu ife ị gwara ndị nna nna anyị ha mgbe ochie. Mana ya mere most of unu ada aghọta gị ife, like most of unu enwe like your mental reasonings ụfọdụ n'ime unu na-eme ya na conversation your mental reasonings differ from ife nne. Enwere tradition, nwee religion. Christianity is my religion. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọghị ife Christ, you don't need to come out and be mocking him. You just need to serve ife ọbụla ọ dị ka ọ na-awa ọkụrụ gị, no problem. Mana ọ bụrụ ọzọ ị na-asa abụzi your own, ị bịazie na-akọjọ nke m, ị na-achọzi n'okwu. Agwa m unu, oke ite abụghị Igbo tradition. Ife alụsị abụghị Igbo tradition. O nwere obodo alụsị dị obodo ahụ abịa, ọ ndị obodo na-eji ebute alụsị. Alụsị adị ebute obodo. Jụọ ese. Mana unu na-aghọta efe m. Mana anyị wee shaa, asụ unu kwuo enu kwuo anị. Tiri nwụọ, tiri nkwụsị ka ume a. I will forever serve Jesus Christ. Nwere ife unyere maka ọsọ okwu na comment section. Nothing else. Chioma nwanne m, biko mụ na gị ada akọma, mụ na gị ada aba mba. But please, if you don't want to serve Christ, don't mock him. That is my plea. God is our strength. Thank you very much.